Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Classes, Igniting a Passion for Learning. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka BOARD Class 10 SSLC Answered Maths. Dear students, in today's video, I'll be covering the Mathematics Model Paper 1 Solutions of the SSLC Mathematics Karnataka BOARD and much more. If you don't know the last session what we have discussed, do find the link in the description box given below. And also we are going to mention the important theorems links and important questions links in the below description box. So before we begin the video, please share and subscribe to my channel Shah Classes, and don't forget to hit the bell button and to get the latest updates of my videos. Let's begin with the class. Dear students, in my previous class I have discussed the first exercise, the first main of Mathematics Model Paper number 1 2020-21, and in today's video I'll be going to discuss for you all the second main. As if we have the model question paper, you can see in the model question paper, okay, there is a content called as answer the following questions in a sentence each. Dear students, in my today's video I am going to cover your second main of model paper number 1. Here I will be going to show you exactly how you are supposed to answer the following question, and also some related areas I am going to cover. Children, this information is very important, and you should know the strategy and you should know the logic how to attend the given question. The very important areas you need to cover before you could solve any problem. First, you need to understand what is the given problem. After you understand what is the given problem, the second area you need to understand, so which areas I need to target, which formula I should use, and how I have to apply that formula, and how to obtain that answer. So these are the main things what you have to consider while solving mathematics. Frankly to speak, seriously I am telling this, as per my experience, maths is a subject where you can score out of 100 marks. Even most of my students have scored 100 out of 100 in my coaching center in maths, science, social and Kannada. As we see the trend, if you see the history of my ESCC Evershine coaching center, many students have scored out of 100 marks. But here I have come to this platform to give you all a free of cost education. So this is the platform what I am building to make everyone a successful student. And today I promise you one thing, till the day of exam, what the best I can do for you all, definitely I am there. I will help you all to get successful marks, and also the one who is following my channel, definitely through my channel you people can clear your final board exam. This is my experience what I am sharing. Since 2007 I am teaching maths and science, and even I am an MTech graduate, and I am the founder, CEO, secretary for Evershine Coaching Center and Evershine Educational and Charitable Trust. Children, in a very short period of time I have got a very successful career, and Alhamdulillah I have got a very good name, a very good status, and I have achieved many awards in my life as a best teacher, best young talented teacher and so on. And in most of the reputed schools right now I am the guest teacher. Children, this is the past which I am sharing with you all only because to know what is the value of my videos and what is the value of my question and what is the value of my explanation. Children, seriously, as much as possible, try to share my videos for your all friends, for your relatives, whoever may concern. Share these videos as much as possible and ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. Really, I can say you that in the end moment, even you also will be get a reward from that. Not only I am the one who is teaching will get a reward, definitely you also will get a reward on behalf of them. Definitely they also will pray for you in case if they are getting benefit from a class. So that is the only concern and that is the only reason. Share this video as much as possible, because just I am sharing my knowledge with you all, nothing else. Now let me see that question number 9. See children, in question number 9, here they have given how many solutions have the pair of linear equations They have given two equations, that is 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0. See children, here the question is how many solutions. Here what is the topic? How many solutions have the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0. Here they are asking how many. See children, here we have three conditions, that is, as I have already discussed in my last session, that is, if a1 by a2 value does not equals to b1 by b2, then we say that it has only one solution. It has how many solutions? One solution, that is nothing but unique solution. That is also called as unique. Similarly, if a1 by a2 value is equals to b1 by b2 but does not equals to c1 by c2, then we call it as no solution. Okay, if a1 by a2 value, b1 by b2 value, c1 by c2 value, all these values are equal, then we say that infinitely many solutions. Already I have discussed about this very clearly and deeply by drawing a respective table in my last session. Do not forget to watch the last video, because in that I have shared many formulas and how to remember the formulas. Those things I have discussed in that session. That is the reason I am telling you, please watch that video in case if you have not watched it. Now come back to this. First check it out whether it is in standard form or not. See here, the standard form of pair of linear equation is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Yes, it is there in the standard form. You can see first is x term, next is y term, next constant term is equals to 0. Here also a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. You can see first is a2, then is b2 and next is c2. Here a1, b1, c1 is equals to 0. That is called as standard form. Already the given question, it is there in the standard form. Now first you collect the data. What is a1? Here you can see the value of a1 is plus 2, the value of b1 is plus 3, okay, and the value of c1 is minus 9. Here the value of a2 is plus 4, the value of b2 is plus 6, the value of c2 is minus 18. First we have to check a1 by a2. Okay, that is a1 divided by a2. What is a1? Plus 2 by a2 plus 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Final answer is 1 by 2. Similarly, b1 by b2. What is b1? Plus 3 by b2 plus 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. What is the final answer? 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2. What is c1? Minus 9 by c2 minus 18. Minus minus get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 2s are. What is the final answer? 1 by 2. Now we can see all the final answers: a1 by a2 value, b1 by b2 value, c1 by c2 value. Can you see this? All these values are what? Equal. Now we can conclude that A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. If all these corresponding sides are in the same ratio, if all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, what we can conclude? How many solutions it has? Therefore, the given equations, the given equations have infinitely many solutions. It has infinitely many solutions. I hope you have understood this problem, right children? Very good. Now let me solve question number 10. Children, if you don't have the question paper, I'll be sharing with you all the PDF of this model question paper through my Twitter channel. Okay, so if you can download the Twitter, in this Twitter channel you can just write our Shah Sir classes. This is the name of my Twitter channel. Please subscribe to that. Okay, Shah Sir classes. In that I'll be uploading the topics related PDFs through my in this Twitter channel. Shah Sir classes, that is the name of my Twitter channel. Got it? You can just subscribe to that channel. Okay, and you can become the member of the channel so that you can get some topics PDFs in that. I'll be uploading it. Now coming back to question number 10. Here question number 10 is what? Write the standard form of a quadratic equation. Here the question is write the standard form of quadratic equation. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation, children? As we know that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Is this clear? Any doubts? Good. Next, coming back to question number 11. Here the question is find the value of tan theta minus cot of 90 degree minus theta. See children, in this problem, this is called as complementary angles. What we call that as complementary angles. Okay. Now sir, what is complementary angle? In trigonometry, we have a topic which is called as complementary angle. See children, how to remember the formula of complementary angle? It's very easy and very simple. Do not worry. I'll explain you how to remember in a easiest way and how to recall the points in a easiest way. Okay. See children, how you are supposed to do this. It's very easy. See here. First is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Children, you may have seen the axis system. Okay, this is called as 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. Again it completes at 360 degree. Okay, you can see here from 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, the area between 0 to 90, it is known as first quadrant. Similarly, the area between 90 to 180, that is known as second quadrant. Next, the area between 180 degree to 270 degree, this area we call it as third quadrant. Again 270 degree to 360 degree, we call it as fourth quadrant. Okay, is this clear? Now remember, We are solving all the problems related to first quadrant. We are solving the problems, all are related to which quadrant? First quadrant. Remember children, okay, this is the quadrant, this is the only area we are discussing the problems. Means the angle lies between 0 degree less than theta less than 90 degree. Okay, 0 less than theta or less than or equal to 90 degree. Understood? 0 degree less than or equal to theta, I mean less than theta. Theta means angle. The angle theta is lying between 0 to 90. That is the problems what we are solving. Okay. Now here I just wanted to tell you one thing. Okay, what it is means, see here, 90 degree. If it is 90 plus theta means angle. Theta means angle. Okay. 90 plus theta means this is 90 degree, no? This line is 90 degree, right? 90 plus means it comes to second quadrant. 90 minus means it comes to first quadrant. Okay. 90 plus means second quadrant. 90 minus means first quadrant. But here we are solving the problems with respect to only first quadrant, right? So here we don't discuss these all quadrants. Here we are just deleting these quadrants. Okay. We are not solving these quadrants problems. We are solving only first quadrant problems. Okay. That is what here. See, here the logic is sin and cos, tan and cot, cosecant and secant. Here what is the logic is, see here, sin of 90 minus theta, minus means first quadrant. Okay. Sin of 90 minus theta, it is called as cos theta. Similarly, cos of 90 minus theta, we call it as sin theta. That is what is this. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Similarly here, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Here, secant of 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. So this is called as complementary angles. Any doubts? Understood? Good. Now let me solve this problem. Now we are solving this problem. I hope you have understood the complementary angles and the quadrant system, right? Good. See children, here the solution. Here solution is what? Tan theta, right? Tan theta as it is minus. What is cot of 90 minus theta? Just now we discussed, right? Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. This both and this both. What is tan of 90 minus, I mean cot of 90 minus theta? Cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Again tan theta. So plus tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled. So final answer is 0. Understood? Plus sign minus, plus tan theta minus tan theta will get cancelled. So the final answer is what children? 0. I hope you have understood this quadrant system and how to apply these formulas. Done? Good. Now question number 12. Question number 12. See children, here the question is, in the given figure, they have given the figure. In the given figure, angle B is equals to 90 degree, angle A is equals to angle C, and BC is equals to 10 centimeter. Then find the value. Then find the value of tan 45 degree. See children, in this case they have given the figure. So this is the figure. Angle B is 90. He is saying that how much is angle A? Even angle C is also same. And he has given BC as 10 centimeters. Here the question is very easy and very simple. If you see, he is saying that one angle is 90. This angle is 90. What is the sum of the angles of a triangle? If you add angle A, angle B, angle C, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Already this angle B is 90 and is saying that A and C both are equal. Then it should be 45 plus 45, right? Understood? 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 90 should be 180. It means both the angles are equal. If both the angles are equal, understood, then we apply tan 45 itself. Okay? Means here both the angles are equal. Now, here the question is, the corresponding both the angles are equal and he is saying that one angle is 90 degree and is asking us to find tan 45. Children, forget about whatever the things he has given above. What he is asking question, first you target on that. He is asking you tan 45. So what is tan 45? Tan 45 is nothing but 1. Correct, no children? You have seen the trigonometric standard angles table. Tan 45 is 1. See, one more thing. One more logic. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. He is saying that angle A and angle C both are equal. Then if this is 10 centimeter, then this also will be 10 centimeter. Understood? So opposite value and adjacent value both will be same. If the corresponding angles, angle A and angle C, if both are equal, then even AB and BC a value also will be equal. That means opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 10, adjacent is 10. Both get cancelled, answer is 1. But here we no need to do these all things. Why? Because we have already value of tan 45. If you see the trigonometric standard angles, the value of tan 45 degrees, how much, children? It is 1. That's it. Understood? If you don't know the trigonometric standard angles, I have already discussed this in my last video, the table, how to, and the logic, how to remember all the values. You can just see to that. Next question. Here the question is, write the coordinates of the midpoint. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2. He is asking you to write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2. Children, here he is asking you to write the midpoint formula. What formula he is asking you to write? Midpoint formula. Okay. So what is the midpoint formula when the coordinates of A and B are x1, y1 and x2, y2? We know that P of x, y is the midpoint, that is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is our midpoint formula. Understood? Understood the case? Good. It's a direct question and direct formula is asking you to solve. Next question. See, children. Here the next question is question number 14. Find the median of the scores 5, 18, 14, 16, 19 and 20. Find the median of the scores 5, 8, 14, 16, 19 and 20. Children, he is asking us to find the median. What he is asking? Median. See, children, here we have two types of data. One is called as ungrouped data, remember, and another one is called it as grouped data. Grouped data in statistics. What is the difference between ungrouped data and grouped data is, in ungrouped data just they will give the values of scores. In group data they will give you scores as well they will give you frequency. Example. One student has taken 10 marks, one student has taken 20, 30, again one more student may have taken 20, one student may have taken 50, like so on. That is called as ungrouped data. every individual record we will write. हर individual record को हम लिखेंगे. 20 अगर से 3 टाइम आ रहा है तो 3 टाइम भी लिखेंगे. Understood? That is called as ungrouped data. Group data means what? 10, 20, 30, 40. These all we called as scores. Got it? 50. And next is this column, let we call it as a frequency. Here compare this table itself. 10 how many times it is there in this? Only one time. 20 how many times? 1, 2 times. That is 2. 20 is given 2 times. 30 1 time. 40 0. There is no 40 here. 50 1 time. So this is called as group data. If same number, if it is repeating more number of times, we write that as frequency. We call that as frequency. Here in ungrouped data, the values, the data will be more. But in group data, the same data we compress in simplest form. That is called as group data. Here also we are solving the problem with respect to this only. Here in median we have 3 cases. Okay, if they give you ungrouped data like this, how to solve the problem. And second method in median, if they will give you the scores like this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If they give you the scores like this, we have one method. Here we have 2 things. If it is even, or if it n value if it is even, or n value if it is odd. We have 2 conditions. So inshallah, as if I get time, I will teach you. If not, it's there even in your textbook, work examples and exercise problems. If you do it, you will get these problems related to this method what I am sharing. So this is one type problem, and one more is if they give you class interval and frequency, like maybe like 10 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, they will give class interval and they may give you frequency like something like this. Okay, so we have one type problem. So there also we find the median. So children, these all your 3 mark questions. I mean to say these 2 types. If n is even or odd, we have one type problem, class interval and frequency. By using that we are finding the median, that is one type problem. So definitely we will solve related to those types also. But here let we see the first case. Here the given problem is find the median of the scores is given, right? That is ungrouped data. Group means remember scores and frequency will be given. If they give you the same number, how many times if it is repeating, that is called as frequency. Okay, scores and frequency if they give, that is group data. But here we are solving the problem with respect to what? Ungrouped data. Understood? Understood? Good children. See, solution. What we should find, children? We need to find the median of this, right? Good. First you arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Check whether it is ascending order or not. Yes, 5, 8, 14, 16, 19, 20. Yes, already it is there in the ascending order. Here, please remember this logic what I am showing. Since it is a 1 mark question, you no need to show any calculations. Directly you have to write the answer for that. Okay, see here. First number is 5, last number is 20. Cancel this, first and last. Again, here from first, second term, from the last, second term, cancel. And now, if we cancel line 14 and 16, no terms are left out. We want to find the middle term of this. We want to find the middle term. But here, if we cancel 14 and 16, there is no term is lying between this. So now what we should do, we have to take the average of this. 14 and 16, what term will come between 14 and 16? We know that the number is 15. Correct, no children? Between 14 and 16, which number we get? That is 15. Understood? Sir, how we got this 15? Very simple. You do 14 plus 16 divide by 2. That is midpoint. You will get 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. This is also one more method. Any doubts? Did you understood how to find the median? The given, if you get any number directly, example, no, I don't want to stretch this problem. Just I hope you have understood, right? first and last, second and second last, third and third last, like that you just cancel the terms. If you get directly any number in center, directly you can write that is a median. If you don't get any directly in middle term, then the last two terms which are left out like this, take the average of this, add that both, divide by 2, you will get the median. That is called as median. So what is the final answer of median? Median is 15. I think it's very easy, right children? Yeah. Did you understood? Good. And now coming back to next case, question number 15. Here the question is state Thales theorem. State Thales theorem. Here I have seen in many cases most of the students what they do. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಫುಲ್ ಥಿಯರಮೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಾಂಗ್. As soon as you see Thales theorem, you start solving the full complete theorem. No childrens. Here you need to focus on this word. He is asking only statement and then too it is 1 mark. Then why you want to prove the entire theorem? Tell me. Understood? You no need to prove the entire theorem. Do remember this point. Here is asking only statements, only you have to write statement, not prove. If they are asking you to prove Thales theorem in, then you prove the entire theorem. Understood? If it is only state, then you have to write only statement. Got it? So what is the statement of Thales theorem, children? The answer is Thales theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides, in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this is the statement of Thales theorem. Understood, children? What is the statement of Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this is called as Thales theorem. Now last problem of this second main, that is question number 16. What is question number 16 is, children? Here they are asking you to write the formula. That is, write the formula to find the curved surface area of the frustum of a cone as shown in the figure. Understood? Write the formula to find the curved surface area of the frustum of a cone as shown in the figure. See children, this is the shape what they have given, the frustum of the cone. Okay, so from here to here is my R1, from here to here is R2, and this total is the height h of the frustum of a cone. So children, write the formula. He is asking you to write the formula. We have direct formula, no children, to find the curved surface area of a cone, to find the curved surface area of frustum of a cone. Children, here no need to by head. First you just remember the cone formula. What is the curved surface area of a cone? Pi r L. Correct. Here where is r? You have to write r as r1 plus r2. Instead of r, what you can write? R1 plus r2. Children, one small thing I just like to tell you that still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all in that. Okay, and share this video as much as possible with your all the friends. Okay, and if you have liked the video, do not forget to click the like button. Got it? Good. See children, curved surface area of a frustum. Here pi place, write pi itself. R means write r1 plus r2. Here L as it is. L means slant height. This is normal height and this is called as slant height. Can you see this? This is L. Okay. So what is the curved surface area of frustum of a cone? And inshallah in my next video, okay, when I solve the problems of this chapter, there I will teach you what exactly the meaning of frustum and how to see which is the part frustum and how we got this part. Those all things I will be explaining while I am solving the numericals of this related to this chapter. Okay, that is curved surface area of frustum. Any doubts? I hope you all have enjoyed the class and understood the topic, each and everything in detail, what all the things and how to tackle the problem, everything. Is this clear? Very good children. And here I am going to end my session. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well and keep watching our channel and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the given below comment box. Still if you want any other videos, what is the doubt you have and which video you want me to make next, you can let me know in the below comment box. Okay, if you are subscribing our channel, you can watch still number of videos instantly. As soon we upload it, you get the notification of it. Anyways, thank you, take care, thanks for watching, bye. And in my next session I will be solving the third main of this model paper 1 mathematics 2021 for Karnataka State Board SSLC.